Today we've got our first anime model kit. We're going to be doing Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Here's a close-up look on Nezuko once she's completed. I think she turned out incredibly cute. I'm really happy with the color that she comes with. In the midsection, she's got a couple stickers right here. Underneath the checkered belt is a white plastic piece that wraps around. The green sticker on top, also in the belt area, the plastic piece underneath was actually green as well, so I'm not entirely convinced that the stickers were needed. All in all, fairly different from building a Gunpla or some of the other plastic model kits that I've done. A lot of these bigger pieces were already pre-put together. So for the hair, for example, there was only a couple pieces that I needed to put together. The bulk of it was already done for me. And a lot of these cape pieces or clothing articles, again, came in large pieces. So the assembly was fairly beginner friendly. You'll notice in the way that she stands, one of her heels is kicked up backwards, so she comes with a little stand, I guess I would call this. This goes underneath her foot so that she can stand flat on the surface. Size-wise, she's pretty comparable to a regular figure, so I think this would be more fun for me than purchasing a figure because you get to put this together, and I enjoyed that. Huge shout out to Plamod, the official Bandai distributor in Canada, for sending us this kit. We're very excited to see what's coming out to hobby shops next.